Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Good. So let's start today's video lecture. Okay students, today I will explain you exercise 4.4. Clear? So are you ready for that? Good. So the very first question of exercise 4.4 is write the minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. So here today we will discuss minors and cofactors of the elements of given determinant. Clear? So see, the minors of elements. Beta, you all know that the elements of this determinant can be defined as this is the first element, this is the element of first row and first column. So it is denoted as A11, and this is the element of first row and second column. So it is denoted as A12. 0 is the element of second row first column. So it is denoted as A21, and 3 is the element of second row and second column. So it is denoted as A22. Understood? So these are the representation of the elements of the determinant. Clear? Question is asking about the minors and cofactors of the elements of this determinant. So first of all I will tell you what are the minors. So the minors of element Aij, where I is number of rows and j is represented as the number of columns. So the minors of Aij is Mij, M for minus. So the minor of Aij element is denoted as Mij. Understood? So see, Aij, what are the elements of this determinant? A11, A12, A21 and A22. Clear? So you have to write here the minor of A11. This equals to M11 because I is 1 and j is 1. So its minor will be Mij, means I is 1 and j is 1. So it is equal to M11. And how can we find M11? So beta, if we want to find M11, so what we will have to do? We will hide first row and first column. Beta, first row and first column we will hide. So what is left here? 3. So this will be the minor of A11. Hope it is clear. Okay, now the minor of A12 equals to M12. Clear? Now M12, how we can find? M12 means first row, second column. So we will hide first row and second column. So what is left? That is 0. So this is the minor of A12. Clear? Now the minor of A21 equals to M21. M21 stands for second row, first column. So now what we will have to do? We will have to hide second row and first column. Second row is this and first column is this. We will hide this. So what is left? Minus 4. Now the minor of A22. A22 means M22. M22 means second row, second column. Now we will have to hide second row and second column. So what is left here? That is 2. So these are the minors of the elements of this given determinant. Hope it is clear to everyone. Again I am explaining. The minors of Aij is denoted as Mij. M stands for minor and I stand for number of row and j is number of column. So here 4 elements are here and these are represented as A11, A12, A21 and A22. So the minor of A11 will be M11, minor of A12 is M12. Minor of A21 is denoted as M21 or minor of A22 is denoted as M22. But how can we find M11, M12, M21 and M22? So for M11, we will hide first row and first column because 11 is there, no? So first row and first column. We will have to hide first row and first column. So what is left? 3. So 3 will be the answer. Similarly, we will have to find M12, M21, M22. Hope it is clear for everyone. Good. Now students, I will explain you how to find the cofactors of the elements of the following determinant. Clear? So see, the cofactors of element Aij equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j or Mij. Clear? Again I am explaining. The cofactors of the element Aij equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j, means whatever is given in the suffix of elements ij. So the power of minus 1 will be I plus j or into Mij, means minor of that element. Clear? So see, how can we find the cofactors? So the cofactor of first element means A11, it will be minus 1 to the power I plus j. So what is I here? 1 or j is 1. So its power will be 1 plus 1 into M11. So beta minus 1 to the power 2, 1 plus 1, or M11. M11 we have already find out, that is 3. So into 3. So beta minus 1 to the power 2 gives you 1. So 1 into 3. 1 into 3 gives you 3. So this is the cofactor of A11. Clear? Now we have to find the cofactor of A12. It will be minus 1 to the power I plus j. I is 1, j is 2. So 1 plus 2 into minor of that element. So it will be M12. So see, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 gives you 3 into M12. M12 we have already find out here, that is 0. So see, minus 1 to the power 3 gives you minus 1 into 0, means 0. This is the second cofactor. Now the cofactor of A21, this will be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 will be 3, or M21 is minus 4. So into minus 4. So minus 1 to the power 3 gives you minus 1 into minus 4, that is minus 1 into minus 4 gives you positive 4. Clear? Now the cofactor of A22, that will be minus 1 to the power I plus j. So I is 2, j is also 2. So 2 plus 2 into minor of that element M22. So minus 1 to the power 4. 2 plus 2 gives you 4, or M22 is 2. So minus 1 to the power 4 gives you positive 1 into 2. That is 1 into 2 is 2. Clear? Now the cofactors are denoted as capital Aij. Cofactors are denoted as capital Ij. Hence, all the cofactors are. So first cofactor is denoted as capital Aij. I is 1 and j is 1. So A11. So A11 is how much? That is 3. Second cofactor is capital A12. Capital A12. A12 will be 0. Third, capital A21. Capital A21, answer is 4. And the fourth cofactor is capital A22. That is 2. Clear? So here these are the cofactors of all the elements of this given determinant. Hope it is clear to everyone. Again I am explaining, minus are denoted as Mij and cofactors are denoted as capital Aij, or small aij is denoted as the elements of that determinant. Is it clear? So cofactors, the formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij, where Mij are the minus of the elements. Hope it is clear to everyone. Good. Okay students, now I am going to explain you the second question. Here again we have to find the minus and cofactors of the elements of the following determinant. I am taking the second part of the question number 2. Here the determinant's order is 3 by 3. In the previous question the determinant was 2 by 2 order, but here the determinant is 3 by 3 order. Clear? Process will remain same. We have to find, first we have to find minus, and after that we have to find cofactors. So beta minus. So first minor is denoted as M11. Clear? So here this is 3 by 3 order determinant. So for M11 what we have to do? We have to hide first row and first column. So what is left? 5 minus 1, 1 and 2. So this determinant we have to write here. 5 minus 1, 1, 2. Clear? Now we will have to solve it by cross multiplication. So 5 2s are 10, minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So it will be plus 1. That means 11. So this is the very first minor. Clear? Now the second minor, M12. So what we will have to do? We will have to hide first row and second column. So what is left? 3 minus 1, 0 and 2. 3 minus 1, 0 and 2. Solve it by cross multiplication. So 3 2s are 6. Minus 0 into minus 1 is 0. So it is 6. Clear? Then M13. M13 means we will have to hide first row and the third column. So what is left? 3 5 0 1. So 3 5 0 1. Solve it by cross multiplication. So 3 1s are 3. Minus 0 into 5 is 0. That means it is 3. Clear? So M11, M12, M13. Now we will have to find the minus of the second row. Second row means M21. M21 means second row first column. So second row first column. So what is left? 0, 4, 1 and 2. 0, 4, 1, 2. Solve it. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1 into 4 is 4. So answer is minus 4. Similarly, we have to find M22. M22 means second row and second column. So what is left? 1, 4, 0, 2. 1, 4, 0, 2. Solve it. 1 2s are 2. Minus 0 into 4, 0. So the result will be 2. Now M23. M23 means second row, third column. So second row, third column we will hide. What is left? 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Solve it. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 0 into 0 is 0. So it is 1. Clear? Now, so here all the minus of second row is completed. Now we have to find the minus of third row. Third row means M31. M31 means third row first column. So we will have to hide third row and first column. So what is left? 0 4 5 minus 1. 0 4 5 minus 1. Solve it by cross product. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Minus 5 4s are 20. So the answer is minus 20. Next minor is M32. M32 means third row and second column. We will have to hide third row and second column. So what is left? 1 4 3 and minus 1. 1 4 3 and minus 1. Simplify it. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 4s are 12. Minus 1 and minus 12 you will get minus 13. Clear? And the last minor of the third row is M33. M33 means third row and third column. This one. So what is left? 1 0 and 3 5. 1 0 3 5. That is 1 0 3 5. Cross multiplication. 1 5 is 5. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. So the result is 5. So here all the minors are completed. Now we will have to find the cofactors. So cofactors. First cofactors, I told you cofactors are denoted as capital A. So first cofactor will be A11. Formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j. So I is 1, j is 1. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minor M11. So beta minus 1 to the power 2 gives you 1, or into M11. M11 we have already find out here, that is 11. So 1 into 11 gives you 11. Clear? Now the second cofactor is A12. According to the formula, minus 1 to the power I plus j. I is 1, j is 2. So it is 1 plus 2 into M12. Here minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. So minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 into M12. M12 is 6. So minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Now A13, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into M13. Minus 1 to the power 4 gives you positive 1 into M13. M13 is 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. Now A21, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 into M21. M21 is minus 4. So minus 1 into minus 4 gives you positive 4. Now A22, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. So it will give you 1 into M22. M22 value is 2. So 1 into 2, that is 2. Clear? Similarly, we have to find A23. So it will be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into M23. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5. So minus 1 to the power 5 gives you minus 1 into M23. M23 is 1. So minus 1 into 1 gives you minus 1. Clear? Now next cofactor is A31. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 into M31. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 is positive 1 into A31. A31 is minus 20. So 1 into minus 20 gives you minus 20. Now A32. This is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into M32. So beta minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 is 5. So its value is minus 1 into M32. M32 is minus 13. So minus 1 into minus 13 gives you positive 13. And the last cofactor will be A33. So it will be minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into M33. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 is 6. That is even number. So the result will be positive 1 into M33. M33 is 5. So 1 into 5 gives you 5. So here all the minus and all cofactors are here. So this is our final answer. Hope now it is clear for you. Everything is clear here? Good. Now students, question number 3, 4 and 5. Now all these questions are same and I am explaining the question number 3. Clear? So question number 3 is here. Using cofactors of elements of second row, evaluate the value of this determinant. Clear? So here we have to use the cofactors of elements. Of which row? Second row. Clear? Question is saying using cofactors of elements of second row. So we have to use the cofactors of second row and hence evaluate the value of this determinant. Understood? Question can be using cofactors of elements of first row, third row, first column, second column, third column, whatever. The process will remain same as it is. Clear? So see, using cofactors of elements of second row. So the value of the determinant delta equals to 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So if we want to use the cofactors of second row, then the value of this determinant will be, because second row elements, you know second row element, this is known as A21, second row first column. This is known as A22, second row second column. This is known as second row third column. Clear? So its value will be A21. A21 means element into capital A21. That is the cofactor. Clear? Plus second element, this is A22 into capital A22. Plus this is third element, it is denoted as A23 into cofactor of this A23. This is the value of this determinant. Suppose that if question is saying कि using cofactors of elements of third column, suppose that question is this कि using the cofactors of elements of third column, evaluate this. So beta third column is this na. So we will have to use these elements, these three elements and their cofactors. Then the value of this determinant will be, this element is denoted as first row third column. So it is A13 into A13 means same cofactor. Plus this element is denoted as second row third column. So A23 into cofactor of it A23. Plus this is third row third column, so its element will be A33 into A33. Clear? In the same manner we can find out the value of the given determinant according to the row or column. Hope it is clear to everyone. Good. So now I am going to solve this. So here this is the value of this determinant. So here A21 means second row first column element is how much? 2. A22 element second row second column, that is 0. And A23 second row third column, that is 1. Clear? Now we have to find out the cofactors. Which cofactors? A21, A22 and A23. So now A21 formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j. I is 2, j is 1. So 2 plus 1 into M21. M21 means minor. So how can we find M21? How can we find M21? So for M21 we have to hide second row first column. So what is left? 3, 8, 2, 3. 3, 8, 2, 3. Solve it. Minus 1 to the power 3. This is minus 1 into bracket. Solve this. 3 3s are 9. Minus 2 8s are 16. Clear? 9 minus 16 is minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 1 means minus 1 into minus 7. That is positive 7. Clear? Now we have to find the cofactor A22. So A22 equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into minor of 2 2. So second row and second column, if we hide this, then we will get 5 8 1 3. This is the minor. 5 8 1 3. See, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4, so its value is 1 into, solve this minor, 5 3 is 15 minus 1 8 is 8. Clear? So this 1 into 15 minus 8 is 7, that is 7 ones are 7. Clear? Now we have to find A23, the third cofactor, A23. Formula is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 and the minor of 2 3. 2 3 means second row, third column. So what is left? 5 3 1 2. 5 3 1 2 equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 is 5. So minus 1 to the power 5 gives you minus 1 into, solve this, 5 2s are 10 minus 1 3 is 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. Clear? Now we have to substitute all these values here. So at last you have to write, hence delta equals to, the determinant is 5 3 8 2 0 1 and 1 2 3. 1 2 3 equals to A21. A21 is 2 into its cofactor. So its cofactor A21 is 7 plus A22. A22 is 0 multiply by its cofactor. So its cofactor is 7 plus small A23. Small A23 is 1 multiply by its cofactor. Its cofactor is minus 7. Clear? Solve this. 2 7s are 14 plus 0 into 7 is 0. 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. So 14 minus 7, answer is 7. So this is the answer of this determinant. Hope it is clear. Clear? Understood? Okay. So now here all the topics of this exercise is completed. Here this exercise is finished. The remaining sums you have to solve at home. Clear? So now I am going to wind up this video and we will meet again in the very next video with a new exercise. Till that time, stay at home, be safe. Thank you.